In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ASMR-style product video in Higgsfield. We'll begin by opening the Higgsfield website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Video section in the navigation. Hover over it to reveal the options, and then head into the Create Video workspace. This is where you'll set everything up. First, upload a photo of your product. Choose a clear, high-resolution image with good lighting and a simple background because the quality of your video depends heavily on the quality of your source image. Drag the file in or use the Upload button and then give it a moment. You'll see an indicator while it uploads. Don't click away until it finishes and wait for the confirmation that the image is ready. Next, add your prompt. This is your creative direction. For example, you can type something like, make an ASMR. To get more specific results, you can expand on the vibe you want, such as soft, soothing movements, gentle camera motion, and subtle texture sounds. Keep your prompt clear and concise so the model knows what to emphasize. Before generating, make sure the audio is toggled on. ASMR relies on sound, so confirm the audio switch is enabled. If it's off, the video will render silently. If there's a volume or style option available, keep it modest and natural to avoid harsh or distracting tones. Now choose the model you want to use. You'll see different models in a drop-down. In this walkthrough, I'm selecting Kling 2.6. Models can vary in style, speed, and how they interpret prompts, so if you're aiming for delicate, detailed motion, Kling 2.6 is a solid choice. Set your duration and aspect ratio to match where the video will be used. Shorter clips, like 5 to 10 seconds, work well for teasers. For aspect ratio, pick 9:16 for vertical stories, 1.1 for square feeds, or 16.9 for landscape. Matching the format saves you time later and helps your video look its best on the platform you're posting to. When everything looks good, your image is uploaded, your prompt is in, audio is on, your model is selected, and your duration and aspect ratio are set. Click Generate. The system will process your request and create the video based on your inputs. Once it's done, you're all set. You've just made an ASMR-style product video in Higgsfield, ready to use wherever you need it.